back to the video. This is going to be part 2 of testing ChatGPT's capabilities and also its limitations. Again, here's the examples. We're not going to go through them again. Yes, I have added a little blur image because, even though some of you have already seen my other video, I kind of exposed it, but it's whatever. Alright, so to begin this with, we're going to see if it can write some code for us. Speed testing in Python. Let's see what it can do. Now this is not going to be much because it's just a simple download and upload speed tests. And it's going to give the description of what the code is doing. So first, to test Wi-Fi speed in Python, you can use the speed test client library, which is a command line interface for testing internet bandwidth using speedtest.net, which is a very popular website for testing your internet speeds. Here's a simple example of how you can use this library to test the Wi-Fi speed. It's in Python, so import speed test. Let's see. I'm going to show you how to quickly install that module. I think it install speed test class. Give it a moment. Alright, there you go. So it works just like that, and if you get any errors, just look up the error codes if you have any and follow the instructions, or give it to ChatGPT and see what it gives you to do to resolve the issues. Alright, so we're going to copy this code to see if it works. And this code imports the speed test library and defines a test Wi-Fi speed function that creates a speed test object and uses it to download and upload methods to test the Wi-Fi speed. The download and upload speeds are then printed to the console in megabytes per second. I believe that's how you say it. Note that the speeds are divided by 1 million to convert from bytes per second to megabytes per second. You can customize this code to fit your specific needs, such as averaging multiple tests or saving the results to a file. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to use this touch speed testing.py nano speed testing.py. Alright, and then we're going to run the file using Python 3. Now give it a moment to run. It takes quite a bit because it's testing. It's doing basically what the website does. It's going to take a minute to load the results. So let's wait. There you go. Ooh, I have good download speeds, just not very good upload speed. Alright, okay, so that works. Let's see what else it can do. Write code for a simple calculator in C. Now, I've recently started to get into C more often than usual because, Python, it comes from C, so I really like Python, so I started to want to learn C. So it's not a bad language, it's pretty good. All right. So here's an example of a simple calculator program in C that can perform basic arithmetic operations. We're going to copy that, obviously. This program prompts the user to enter an operator and two numbers and then performs the corresponding arithmetic operation using a switch statement. The result is then printed to the console with two decimal places. Note that the scanf function is used to read input from the user. The %C format specifier is used to read a single character, and the %LF format specifier is used to read a double floating point. Well, hang on. Double value, but in parentheses it says floating point. So the printf function, that's obviously a C language thing, function is used to print out to the console. The .2lf format specifier is used to print a double value with two decimal places. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm hoping I have a compiler for C. Okay, so nano C calc. Paste your code in there. Trying to see if I can remember how to do this. I think it's output to C calc. Okay, it worked. Then we're gonna do calc. Okay, so see, it works here. Let's use plus. Okay, now, two numbers. See, 8 and 9. Okay, so it works. 8.0, so it's going to do it like this. 8.00 plus 9.00 equals 17.00. Alright, so let's test it again. Let's do multiplication. 12 and 9. 12 times 9 is 108. Alright, so one more. This is going to be the last one for part 2. Network vulnerability detection tool in Python. Let's see if it can do it. But see, that's basically just an mmap scan slash a port scan using mmap. So it's not really what I would call a network vulnerability detection tool, but it does detect, open ports and closed ports. Okay, so writing a network vulnerability detection tool in Python can be a complex and involved process, but here's an example of a simple tool that uses the mmap library to scan for open ports on a specified IP address. Okay, so it even says that it's not what you wanted, but here's an example of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and see. I'm gonna do test.py, I guess. let's see if we have the module. No, okay, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work. It used to be a module because I remember installing it like that. So let's see what we're gonna do. Yeah, see, let's try this. Okay, so that is odd. Alright, but it's basically just gonna run like a regular mmap port scan, and it's just gonna tell you what ports are open, and then if nothing's open, then it's just gonna print that. I don't know why I just clicked that. Okay, so I'm gonna read this description, and then in this video, this code imports the mmap library and defines a scan ports function that uses the port scanner object to scan for open ports on a specified IP address. The arguments parameter specifies that all ports 1 through that a large amount of numbers, which is 65,535, should be scanned. The function returns a list of open ports. If not, then you'll see the no open ports found printed out to the console. The main function prompts the user to enter an IP address to scan, calls the scan ports function, and then prints the results to the console. Like I said, if any open ports are found, though, they are printed to the console. Otherwise, a message indicating that no open ports were found is printed out. Note that this tool only performs a simple port scan and is not a comprehensive vulnerability scanner. Additional tools and techniques may be required to fully assess the security of a network. That is true. Now, there are way more advanced security and network tools instead of your regular little mmap script. Alright, so that's going to end it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment any positive feedback that you have. Thank you.